Introducing the Winmate Rugged Ground Control Station G156AD-SUIT, a portable, mission-ready solution designed for defense applications, including UAV operations, robotic system control, and battlefield communications. This ground control station features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with PCAP multi-touch and optical bonding, ensuring sharp visuals and sunlight readability, essential for aerial surveillance and live tactical mapping. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, the unit handles demanding defense software with ease. It includes expandable memory and storage capacity, and TPM 2.0 for secure data handling, ideal for processing encrypted intelligence and mission-critical files in the field. Built to endure, the G156AD-SUIT performs in extreme temperatures from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius and meets the American military standard 810H for resistance to shock, vibration, and drop, proving its resilience during airborne transport or field deployment. Its IP65 rated case protects against dust and water, ensuring reliability in rain-soaked forests, sand-filled deserts, or muddy terrains. Weighing just below 15 kilograms and housed in a rugged suitcase form factor, it balances portability and durability for mobile command centers and tactical teams. Its advanced control interface enhances operational effectiveness. Dual high-precision joysticks enable accurate UAV maneuvering or remote robotic operations, such as EOD missions or reconnaissance. Roller switches provide smooth zoom control for camera feeds, and dual-band toggles allow quick switching between mission modes like navigation and targeting. With 6 programmable buttons, an integrated keyboard, and touchpad, operators can execute critical commands quickly, essential in fast-paced combat situations. On the connectivity front, the system features built-in speakers for real-time alerts and mission audio cues. The dual battery system supports full-day operations, with 2 additional batteries for extended missions. A variety of physical I/O ports, such as USB 3.0, HDMI, and RS-232 enable connection to legacy military equipment, sensors, and external displays. Integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS support real-time command, control, and communication, vital for sharing intelligence, coordinating joint force operations, or directing fire support in remote locations. The Winmate G156AD-SUIT excels as a mobile tactical command center. It supports real-time mapping, strategic planning, and troop coordination during field operations. It functions as a battlefield communication hub, handling secure communication across land, air, and sea units. For reconnaissance and sensor integration, it can display data from radar, LiDAR, or ground sensors, and control portable SATCOM and signal relay systems, extending communications into mountainous or contested zones. Designed with unmanned systems in mind, this GCS functions as a controller for unmanned aerial vehicles, enabling secure flight control and live telemetry monitoring. In ground operations, it controls unmanned ground vehicles and robotic systems, vital for surveillance, IED disposal, or logistics resupply missions in hostile zones. Additionally, it enables field intelligence gathering, analyzing SIGINT and video data on-site. During downtime, it transforms into a simulation and training system for mission rehearsals in challenging and field-based environments. The Winmate G156AD-SUIT is a mission-critical asset for today's defense operations, engineered to deliver exceptional performance, adaptable to specific mission needs, and built to endure the harshest conditions. Backed by Winmate's proven industry expertise and dedicated support, it stands as a trusted solution for the most demanding military environments. Thank you for listening. For more information or inquiries about our products, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help you select the right device for your needs.